He was born between the bridges of this town. He'd often tell me a tale or two about life way back when, and I'd think, oh, how the times are so different now.
Writing a song for us is kind of different every time. So sometimes it'll start with a little guitar riff, and then like I'll ring Niamh and be like, get over to my house quickly because we need to write a nice song to this pretty little thing. And then it sort of comes from there. And then a lot of our tunes sort of naturally, like a word will just kind of go with it really nicely, and then we sort of take that word and see like, okay, what are we feeling, like what do we want to tell a story about? That's kind of how it goes.
And then a lot of the time it's me mishearing Felina being like, oh, did you say da-da-da? She's like, no, but that's nice, let's do that. So a lot of our songs are little mistakes, but happy little mistakes, I would say.
I don't love you, but I really want to. You often drift through my mind. A delicate daydream pulls me out to you like a riptide. The sky sink or swim. What do we get if one of us wins? Build us up to watch us crash. I've never known a wave to last. When I'm high, I'm in control. I can see us going exactly where I hope we go. When I'm alone, I'm in the deep end, drowning with no hope.
Growing up, my dad played a lot of Simon Garfunkel and Fleetwood Mac in the house, and your dad was like a U2 fan, so we got inspired.
Once we heard Stevie Nicks sing, that was pretty much
that was it.
We were like,
sold.
okay, Fleetwood Mac, Stevie Nicks, this is it.
Yeah.
She was a big inspiration for a long
And
time.
Hosier.
The Cranberries. We
Felina had a wee cry in the car on the way up. We were listening to,
we listened to Linger, and I just
looked over and the tears were streaming. I was like, do you want me to drive? Are you okay?
The sensitive nature, I think, helps with the songwriting.
Yeah, it does,
so that's what I tell
It's all
myself,
emotion.
anyway.
That's what Adele says, isn't it?
It's all emotion.
Tell me why you wouldn't do what you shouldn't get. Exactly what you've worked for. You've earned love. If I could share my crystal vision with you, what a simple decision.
We're cousins and we grew up together, so we talk a lot about our family and being two young women being raised, in a small town. It's kind of about our lives and how we've navigated our lives and sort of how we're growing. We're both in our 20s now and we're growing up and experiencing the world together. So in a way it's nice, like we have, a similar point of view on a lot of things, especially, I guess, our morals and whatnot. So
it's true.
We tend to just put all of that into our music.
I look at my daughter's eyes, see it again, and she'll say, oh, how the times are so different now.
Thank you.